So this week's word of the week for week number 17 is calories. Now calories benefit the body by releasing energy to the body through the food you eat. More calories, in a sense, equal more energy. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 17 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, vertical jumps. Number 2, reverse lunges. Number 3, ab crossovers. And number 4, quick feet. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 17. Number 1, we got vertical jumps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go about feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna crouch down, and then we're just gonna jump up as high as we can. And we're gonna do this as many times as we can in 30 seconds. So vertical jumps is number 1. Number 2, we got reverse lunges. So I'm gonna go and start with my right foot back. I'm gonna step back, and then I'm gonna go down and up, down and up. I'm gonna do this 5 times on my right side. Switch it over, do 5 times on my left, down and up, down and up. So that's reverse lunges. Number 3, we got ab crossover. So I'm gonna go and place my right hand out, my right leg is gonna go up, and then I'm gonna try to get my left elbow to touch my right knee. And I'm gonna cross over, I'm gonna do this 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna switch. Opposite side, left hand is out, right elbow touches your left knee. Okay, we're gonna go 5 on each side, switch it up. Last one, we're gonna go quick feet, so we're just gonna chop in place, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. You wanna try to keep your heel off the ground as much as possible, on your toes, quick feet, okay? So get ready to go. That is Fast 5 workout number 17. We'll get started in just a moment. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. Drop down and up as high as you can. Oh, I'm not jumping as high as the ceiling. Let's go. Vertical jumps. Get low and jump. Explode. Use your legs to propel you up. Let's go. Vertical jumps. You're doing great. Keep up the good. Rewind. Keep up the great work. Let's go. All right, let's go. Reverse lunges. Right leg back and down, up. Remember, we're gonna do this 5 times and then switch. Woo. 4, 5. I hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. Now I have 16 live Fast 5 workouts. This is number 17, my friends. Woo. Oh, they're burning. My quads and hamstrings are burning. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do those ab crossovers on your backs. We'll start with our left hand out, left leg up, right hand behind your head. You're gonna cross over starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Cross over, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Let's go. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quickly on your feet. Let's go. Let's go. Quick chops. Go. Quick, 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 quick. Stay on your toes the whole time, let's go. 30 seconds, let's go. Move, move, move. Woo. I know, I'm getting tired. If you're getting tired, it's okay. We're in this together, my friends, just finish. And time, 1 minute rest. Woo. Holy guacamole. Woo. Definitely one of the more challenging fast 5 workouts I've done. I hope you guys enjoy it. Start back up the top. We got vertical jumps, reverse lunges, ab crossovers, as well as quick feet. We're halfway done, my friends. Just finish. Remember the motto, just finish. Whatever you guys do in life, just finish. You start a project, you start a class, you start music, some type of instrument, just finish. Keep working hard at it. The longer you do it, the more time you put in, more time and effort you put into something, the better it's gonna make yourself, and the more you're gonna grow. Right, got 5 seconds left. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, vertical jumps. I want you to really explode this round. Nice job, keep it up, let's go. Ooh, explode. All right, let's go, reverse lunges. Leg back and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Woo! Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Just finish, my friends. Oh, I feel it. But I'm working hard. Get this together, my friends. All right, we got those ab crossovers. Let's go. 2 more. You can do it. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Try to get your elbow to touch your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1. All right, on the feet, let's go, let's go. Quick feet, quick feet. Quick feet. No, heels in the floor, let's go. Let's go. Cha, 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 cha. Quick feet. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, just finished. 1. And time. Nice job, my friends. You did an amazing job putting this workout. Give yourself a high five. All right, tap yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 17. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought was the most challenging exercise and why. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at ThePESpot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun game for you, and it is called Shape Dash. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Game, you're only gonna need a few different things. You're gonna need some cardboard, and what you're gonna do with the cardboard is you're gonna put some shapes on it. So for this activity, I did 4 shapes. Normally in a PE activity, I would do 6. So I have 4 different shapes. We have triangles, we have squares, we have stars, and we also have hearts. Now, what students are going to do is they're going to run out. They're going to have a starting point. They're going to run out. They're going to grab a card. All the cards will be flipped on the backside so you cannot see the shape. And they're going to take a peek at it. And let's say I'm on the heart team and I uncover a heart. I'm going to grab that heart piece and I'm going to take it back to my team. My team, or my goal, is to collect the 4 pieces that match my shape. Okay. Now, if I'm on the heart team and I go and I pick one of these cardboard boxes up and it's, let's say, a square, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down the way I found it and then run back and tag my next person in line. Obviously, we don't have that if you're individual, you're by yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to start at one point, you're going to run out, and if you see your shape, you're going to grab it, take it back to your team, and you're going to collect all 4 shapes. If it is not, you're going to put it back down, run back, touch it, and then come back and do it again. Your goal is, like the game of memory, to uncover all of your 4 shapes the fastest. In just a moment, Jordan's going to go in and do this activity. He's going to start at the blue line. He's going to run out, try to collect his shape. Let's say it's a heart, and he uncovers a heart. He's going to grab it, run back, drop it off, come back and do it again. He's going to do it as quickly as possible. Once he collects all 4, I'm going to stop this time and we're going to see how fast he does this activity. This is a great cardio activity, also great for memorization of shapes because all students are going to be seeing different shapes. So make sure you stay tuned for how quickly Jordan can do this activity. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Jordan is looking for start. Oh, good luck. He already got his first one. Oh, he got his second one. He's on fire. Oh, third one. Oh, fourth one. Jordan just told me my shape is going to be a triangle, so stay tuned for my shape dash. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. It's 3. Got one more triangle. Time, 50 seconds. Complete this activity. Well, we hope you enjoyed that game of Shape Dash. Again, the only items you're going to need are a cardboard box with some shapes, and just like the game of memory, you're going to have it flipped over, and you're going to have to try to guess which one it is. So, please, again, don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Until next time, take care.